Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete an account in MYOB. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to have a contact with MYOB. So they do not allow you as a user to delete your own account directly through the platform interface. Only the business administrator who manages your MYOB subscription has the authority to remove access or even delete accounts. You can reach out to your business's MYOB administrator or contact MYOB's support, which is great if you're looking for direct assistance with the account deletion. Important things to know is deleting your MYOB user account is different from deleting accounts data or ledger accounts within the MYOB software itself. So data deletion has additional restrictions. Accounts with existing transactions cannot be removed. What you need to know with the next steps is you need to identify your business's MYOB administrator, submit a formal account deletion request, allow time for processing and confirmation, and alternative support can be reached. If you cannot locate your administrator, MYOB support can actually help identify the correct contact person for your organization's account management. I hope this was helpful.